Hello viewers, your friend Jim is here to share something more about English literature. Today I have chose the topic for my video, the age of Pope is also called age of Augutan Age, the new classical age and the age of reason. Let's start our video. The period comprises 1700 to 1750 chronology. The period of English literature in the early 18th century when writers such as Swift and Poe were active. The name comes from that of the Roman emperor ruler Augustus, who ruled when Virgil, Horace and Ovid were writing, and suggests a classical period of literature. Augustan literature is the style of British literature produced during the reign of Queen Anne, King George I and George II in the first half of the 18th century and ending in 1740s with the death of Alexander Pope and Jonathan Swift in 1744 and 1745 respectively. The Augustan Age is called the New Classical Age so because generally regarded as Golden Age, like the period of Roman history which had achieved political stability and power as well as flourishing of the art. Because of the importance that was given to reason during the Augustan Age, this period is also known as the Age of Reason. History of the period: 1695 press has been made free, 1700 beginning of the London clubs, 1721 cabinet government, Walpole first prime minister, 1738 rise of Methodism. Methodism is called the Methodist movement, is a group of historically related denomination of the Protestant Christianity which derive their doctrine of practice and belief from the life and teaching of John Wesley. 1740 War of Austrian Succession, 1746 Jacobite Rebellion. Literature of the era: 1683 to 1731 Defoe's writing, 1702 first daily newspaper, the Daily Courant, 1704 Edison, the Campaign, Swift, Tale of a Tub, 1709 to 1711 The Tatler and the Spectator, 1712 Pope, Rape of the Lock, 1719 Defoe Robinson Crusoe, 1726 Swift, Gulliver's Travels, 1726 to 30 Thompson Season, 1732 to 1734 Essay on Man by Pope. Literature of the age: 1740 Richardson Pamela, 1742 Fielding Joseph Andrews, 1749 Tom Jones. Thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on English literature. Thank you so much once again.